Okay, today I would like to show you one interesting case study of one of my students. Diego Santana is a very talented Brazilian composer that, like all of us, is full of great musical ideas, but sometimes can't express these ideas in the best way with Midi mockups. I understand this is a process that all of us go through, but we can only express ourselves with the proper knowledge and mindset to virtual instruments, and this is basically what Scoring Tools Masterclass is all about. In some private sections, Diego and I worked on his rescore of the last scene of the Forces Awakens. Of course, there was a progressive evolution that's worth discussing, but to make this tutorial short, I will show you the first and last version only. So let's go to the first one. I saw a lot of potential in this first version, but at the same time a lot of room for improvement. If I were the director of the movie, I would probably turn down this first version because by not being a musician, I wouldn't be able to realize how much better this cue could sound with a better MIDI programming. That's why I think it is so important to be competent in MIDI orchestration today. So, for the next week, Diego and I worked on his piece, and some of the improvements were a proper simulation of idiomatic articulations, expressions, breathing, bowing, orchestration, MIDI workflow, etc., etc. In other words, a good part of the knowledge that is included in Scoring Tools Masterclass. Let's see. That's it. Much better now with lots of expressions. It can have further improvements, mainly in the final part, but keep in mind that Diego didn't need to purchase any new software to improve his skill. He just had to improve his approach to MIDI orchestration, which is essentially what Scoring Tools Masterclass is all about. There's life, expression, and beauty in this mockup, and I, as the director of the movie, would give thumbs up to the version of this music. Okay, to make a fair comparison, let's listen to both versions in a row. Enjoy!